Patty Christensen, hand CRPS lady. And while I'm working on being a sous chef, we've got husband doing his famous mixed nut protein balls. And so I'm just going to flip the camera around, show you some of the ingredients. It's raw, it's healthy, it's just a great snack to have while you're on the go. Okay, hopefully this is lining up good. This is the recipe. Of course, it's more of a suggestion. If you're like me, you just add whatever feels good at the time. For example, even though it calls for raw honey, we're actually this time going to do some figs instead. Just get a little extra fiber and some phytochemicals and all that kind of good stuff. But you can see it's got vanilla, it's got cocoa, and then it's got and protein powder, matcha if you want, and then every kind of nut known to mankind in here. And so that's pumpkin seeds if you can't tell, sunflower seeds. And then the base is some nut butter and a little bit of oats. I'm trying not to do too much in the grain category, but a little bit probably won't hurt us. And so just doing another little scan of the ingredients. Okay, here we are on an interim. There's the nut butter that's been mixed. And then Mystery Spouse is adding in all the dry ingredients. There we go. And then I wanted to just real quick, because I'm still over here playing sous chef, right? So I just wanted to show when our friend Kathy designed our kitchen, how big of a kitchen island she made. And you know what? When we got all these projects going, it's still not big enough. Now he's crunching the nuts. So I'm going to be doing a quick video here just showing now it's time to combine the ingredients. So here we have the dry ingredients. Here we have the pulverized fig, which is going to replace the honey. And there we have the nut butter. Okay, so the dry ingredients, if I can talk's already in. And now he's scooping out we'll just call it the fig sweetener. And then he's adding in the nut butter. He actually measures it. That's one way he and I are different. And getting that all in for the mixer. Okay, now we've got everything in the mixer, or blender, which is a mixer. An important safety tip, it works a little better if it's plugged in. It also works a little better if you turn it on. But now that we've figured all of that out, you can see how it's mixing together to make our nut balls. Okay, these are the nut balls with the fig instead of honey. I don't know how I feel about it. I know fig is so much healthier than honey, but it's gritty. I can taste the fig grit. So we'll have to see what other people think about it.